Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to fix issues with YouTube Vanced. So make sure to subscribe to our channel where you can find all the step-by-step tutorials. There are several reasons why YouTube Vanced might not be working correctly, but today, I'll be providing 3 simple and effective methods to fix this problem. To start, let's discuss the first method. One of the common causes of issues with YouTube Vanced is an outdated application or a corrupted cache. Therefore, you can try logging out of your Google account and then logging back in. Here are the steps to follow. First, go to your device's Settings menu. Then click on the Accounts option and then Manage Accounts. After that, select the Advanced option and choose your Google account. And then remove the account by clicking on Remove Account. Once done, open the YouTube Vanced application and sign back into your Google account to see if the problem persists. Moving on to the second method, if there's a storage problem in the YouTube Vanced application, it can also cause errors. You can fix this issue by clearing the data in the storage. Here are the steps to follow. First, open your device's Settings menu. Then click on the Applications option and select the YouTube Vanced application. After that, click on the Storage option and then click on Delete Data. And after this process, relaunch the YouTube Vanced application to see if the problem persists. Finally, the third method involves using the Vanced Manager application to resolve the issue. If the YouTube Vanced application is out of date, some features may be disabled or not visible. Here are the steps to follow. First, run the Vanced Manager application. Then uninstall the YouTube Vanced and Micro G applications from your device. Once the uninstallation process is completed, install the Micro G and YouTube Vanced applications again. And once the installation is complete, launch the YouTube Vanced application and check if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you have two choices. You can create a brand new Google account and then connect it on YouTube Vanced. And then you can share your subscriptions and your views, etc. The second option is to download YouTube Revanced. You can do that by downloading the Revanced Manager that you can find in GitHub. And then you choose the YouTube application and you apply all the patches that you want to add. And that will transfer the normal YouTube application into a similar copy of YouTube Vanced. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope these methods help you fix any issues you may be experiencing with the application. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.